Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take this door panel off this 2011 Forester. Same from the 913. If you need to replace the window switch, regulator, glass, watch the other videos. There's one screw up here behind this tray, and there's one in here. As well. Get the screw out in here. There's one right here. Okay. Now, here in the front, for the switch needs to come out, there's a little, like a slot right here. Let me pull it off, I'll show you guys. I usually I'll do that, and it will come out. Right here, let me show you. Right here, there's a little slot. So you stick your flathead, you can pry it. It's only held on by these guys. So since you get that out, you can go ahead and unplug these guys. Pushing these tabs. Okay.